Well, hello everybody, this is Michael Guevara, the Fishing Fanatic, and I'd like to welcome you to this new edition of the Fishing Fanatic channel. And today's day is November 11th, 2012. The weather's not the best today, but as we take a look out there, we're going to give it a try. You know, who knows, a little practice, little patience, maybe it'll pay off for us. So stay tuned, let's see if we can catch some fish. Okay, looks like we got a bass here. Just get out, there it is. Good looking little girl. So we can get her up here. She inhaled it pretty deep, but thankfully I've got the hooks, the little barb bent down, so we should be able to get it out real easy. Let's see what we can do here. Yep, there it is, plops right out. So that fish, ladies and gentlemen, good looking little fish there. About a pound bass, but it makes it fun. That's what it's all about. Let's let her go. Back into some shallow water here, and she's gone. All right, we hopefully still have a good one here. There she is. Good looking fish. Come on, darling. Come on. Look at that beautiful looking fish down there. So we can get her up here. Much nicer in size. Bass. That's pushing 2 pounds right there. Very, very pretty girl. So we're going to go ahead and let her go here too, so I can get down here, kind of slick, and let her go in the shallow water. All right, she's gone. All right, we've got another one here. There she is. Another good looking little fish. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Excuse me. Good little fish there. She also took it deep, but thankfully again with that barb crushed down, we should be able to get it out real easy and not injure the fish. All right, let's try to get her out. Okay, so the it's a little muddier here, so I can't get as close. I'm gonna have to toss her in there a little bit. And took off. Doing fine. All right, let's try this again. Got another one here. There she comes. Oh, quick release. Okay, so I just wanted to stop a little bit and kind of give you an update on what the bait is that I've been using out here, the lure. It took me about an hour or so to figure out what it was that the bass wanted. You know, I tried spinner baits, I tried a worm imitation, you know, and finally I brought with me today, just by chance, a package of crawfish imitations that I had and just never used before. And let me kind of show you what that is here. What it is this bait right here, the Yum Baby Crawbug in smoke red pepper. They're 2.5 inches in size, and that is what I have been using. Just rigged up the traditional way. There you have right there, and that has been proving very effective today. Again, you've seen me catch 3 or 4 bass here. I've lost a couple others. So today on a day that's very overcast. You can kind of see what it looks like. No sun, very overcast. We're expecting a cold front to come through anytime. That's what has really been turning on, the bass have been turned on to, that little lure right there. So let's try, see if we can catch a few more. Okay, got another one here. This is the smallest one I've caught today. As you can see, in relation to the lure itself, which is folded over. But a fish is a fish. So we can let her go. Real easy release. And away she goes. Okay, and we got another one. This appears to be a nice little fish here. There she comes. There she comes. Good little sized fish too. Let's get her up here. Nice sized fish. Can't complain with that one at all. Hooked well, so she should come out very easy. Let's see what we can do here. Popped right out. There you go. Good fish. Just let her go now. Okay. Another good little bass. And there she is. Your good looking little girl. And she'll come off real easy too. Just let her go. Alright, put her in the water here. And she's gone. Got one out there. Oh, I think we got off. Got another one here. There she comes. Good looking. Oh, she spit it out. There she is in the water. A good looking one here. Alright. Come here, darling. Good looking one. Good looking bass. One of the bigger ones I've caught today. Alright, let's let her go. Well, as you saw in this video, actually what I thought was going to be a fairly challenging day of fishing turned out to be a pretty productive day. Caught a lot of bass, probably close to 10 to 12, of which you probably saw 4 or 5 on this video. But just shows you a little bit of patience, a little bit of practice, a little bit of experimentation out there. You can have a pretty good day out on the water. So this is Michael Guevara, the Fishing Fanatic, hoping that you'll continue to look at my videos, tell others about my channel, and you know, we appreciate you. You have a good one. Goodbye.